The period 1924 to 1928 have been called the Golden Years as the Weimar Republic began to recover. A number of measures took place to ensure this recovery. The first was the old currency was removed and replaced with a temporary currency called the written mark. This currency was based on land rather than gold, so in theory it could be exchanged for a piece of land. But in reality this didn't need to take place as people had faith in the new currency. This currency ended the hyperinflation crisis. This measure, like many of the other measures that led to recovery, was developed by Gustav Stresemann, who was Chancellor and later Foreign Secretary of the Weimar Republic. He made a treaty which helped Germany recover politically. This was called the Locarno treaties, and this secured Germany's borders with her neighbours Italy and France. Germany now appeared like a peace-loving country, which was important for restoring her reputation. Germany was now able to enter the League of Nations, which she hadn't been able to do so under the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Germany now looked like a big player, an important country which needed to be listened to, which went a great way to restore national pride. Stresemann was also responsible for the Kleigbriand Pact. This pact was the agreement of Germany, along with other nations, never to go to war again. This again made Germany look like a peace-loving country and restored her international reputation. However, a number of historians have suggested that Gustav Stresemann simply papered over the cracks rather than actually fixing the problem. This can be seen with the Dawes Plan. The Dawes Plan got US loans for Germany, and these loans were used to rebuild industry. This stimulated jobs, and people then had faith in the Republic. However, in 1929, following the Wall Street crash, it was clear that Germany was far too dependent on these loans, as when America recalled them, the German economy completely collapsed. In addition, the Young Plan also, many argued, didn't really fix the problem. The Young Plan was the agreement that Germany would repay her reparations in instalments and gave a timescale to repay them. Many argued, however, that Germany shouldn't be repaying reparations at all. Many nationalists opposed the fact that the Dawes and Young plans didn't actually get rid of the reparations at all, and many resented the fact that America, under the Dawes Plan, had control over German railways. So the period 1924 to 1928 saw a return to economic stability. Hyperinflation had ended, unemployment had started to be reduced, people started therefore to have faith in the Weimar Republic, which led to some political recovery. Not only was there domestic political recovery, people at home felt happier with the Republic and there were less uprisings against it, but internationally Germany's reputation had recovered. However, the recovery was temporary and was halted the following year following the consequences of the American Wall Street crash.